At Cardo Systems, innovation never sleeps. It's the driving force, pushing the company to consistently deliver new technologies that elevate the riding experience to entirely new levels. Introducing Ppacktalk Edge from Cardo Systems. With a slimmer design, integrated antenna, and matte gray finish, keeping you more connected to the ride and those you ride with than ever before. With new and enhanced features like improved natural voice operation,
Hey Cardo, music on.
a magnetic air mount, and second-generation dynamic mesh communication that pairs faster than ever and delivers crystal clear intercom sound.
What's up? You guys ready to roll?
Yeah, we've been waiting. Let's go.
With an improved noise filtering microphone and enhanced speaker clarity from the one and only JBL. Experience the edge. Packtalk Edge from the innovators at Cardo Systems.